Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to activate WhatsApp account on two phones with same number without WhatsApp web. So to activate WhatsApp number, just at first launch WhatsApp. Click the bottom agree and continue. Now here where you need to just put your number, click the top right three dot icon and click on link as companion device. But before that you need to just remove your SIM card from this device, the secondary device. Just click on link as companion device. Now after that, here you can see there is a QR code will appear in front of you. Now from your primary device, just scan this QR code from WhatsApp scanner, and after that you will be able to run two WhatsApp with the same number in two phones. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.